Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna continue working on part 10 of this cabin. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to add the grass, and then we added some of the materials. And then now we're gonna continue working on this. Let's go here at the setting, and then let's go to lighting, and then turn on Skydome. And then here, what we could do is we could change the sky with probably noon. So let's see what we have here. So while waiting, we could just add or download others so that we could just um, see it later. So after it finished downloading, you could just drag and drop it here, and then it will change at the sky. It will then process this. It usually takes time, but sometimes it's fast as well. So here we have the sky like that, and then we need to take off the background. So with the city, put to none, or we could do mountains. Or countryside. Yeah, we could do countryside for now. And then after this, go to here. We could change the settings right here. So go to more. We could change the rotation. And then the intensity. Here, most of the time, I chose to make it look white. Change the exposure. And then the ambient, I like it to be a little bit so that we could see each and every one of this. Sun intensity to go down, ambient to go up, exposure around like that. Camera, always turn this on. Visual effects, color grade, I always put blue tint. It looks much better, as you can see. And then we could do is we could put some smoke here. So let's go right about here, go back, and then I believe it's under tools. No, not tools. Somewhere right here, maybe object, particles, and then here we could use the smoke and just add it right here. Make sure to put it in the center so that it looks much better like that. Okay. Okay, so that looks much better. It looks more realistic like that. And then what we could do now is we could add in the trees. So let's go back here, vegetation paint, And then let's add in big trees. We could add this one, and then here. So select all of them and then increase the density and select vegetation paint, which is this one, and then diameter. We will need to add it at the top here, all around. Okay, it's not adding the way I like it, but we could just add it individually. So that's not a problem. We could manually increase it by ourselves. And don't forget to save it again, because if it crash, there's a lot of work that have been done already. So press escape, save it again. After that, once you saved it, we can then manually add all of this. So similar way, we could just click here, click multiple times by using your control button, holding it in, and then here you could just keep on clicking. So we're manually adding it because for some reason it's not working with the other way we have to do. So at least here you have much a better control on everything, and you can add it on the areas that the diameter cannot do. Here I'm just keep on clicking, make sure that the road is cleared. I want to add more here and here as well. I'm adding this big tree right here. And then now let's add in some small trees. Okay, so it looks like this now. And then we could add in some detailed, some rocks. And then we could just add different kinds of rock that we could do. Obviously that we shouldn't add that. And then some detailed grass. And then we could just pull this one down like that. We could delete this and some if we need our shot. This one we could probably just move it. We could delete this. This is too close. And don't forget to save. I'm planning to have something like this. This shot. That will be very nice. We could drop this more. And I like the way it flows. We could just move this like I said. Move this on this side so that we have enough room. And probably this one, we could delete this. And then this one just move. So we have our space right here. There we go. And I like the way the sky is formed right there. And then the contour of the topography, upper surface. And it will be much better to have something like that. And then we could place our truck there. So let's add in a vehicle. Let's do some truck. Not this kind of truck, but if we have a Jeep, it's much better. Well, which we don't have. So let's just use this pickup truck. Let's rotate it like that, and then just place it somewhere it is being shown. We can also have our shot like this. So that's better as well. That's very nice as well. Something like that. We could just move this one at the back, and then this one, just to give our viewpoint right there. So we could have that. We can move this a bit. And something like that. That looks very nice. And then let's go back to our setting, camera, visual, and then we could change our saturation, something like that. And then lens flare around 20. And that looks nice. So thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.